Do you have a respiratory problems like cough and colds? Try this remedy. 3 to 5 leaves of oregano, portion of ginger, 1/4 of lemon or calamansi, 2 spoon of honey. Instruction: clean and cut ginger into small pieces. Deep oregano into hot water for a minute. Then squeeze it in 1 cup of hot water. Mix the ginger, lemon and 2 spoon of honey. Please share this to help others.